In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. So this will be a simple and quick tutorial that will show you step by step how you can do this, and it's not that hard. So we'll get into it right away. So first of all, you want to open Microsoft Teams, of course, and sign into your account. You'll then end up on the dashboard that looks like this, and then all you need to do is click on your channel, on your profile picture, top right corner, which is right there. So as of right now, I don't have a profile picture, but you want to click on edit profile, and then in this section, you can find remove picture right there. All you need to do is simply click on it, and that's pretty much gonna delete your profile picture. So that's how you can delete your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you appreciate this quick tutorial, let me know in the comments down below if it works, and I would also appreciate it if you can subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build the best and biggest how-to channel on YouTube. We're trying to hit 100k this year, so I would appreciate your support, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.